Welcome back to 100 Words for 100 Days. You are going to learn an English expression is goldfish. Let's get started. What does mean by goldfish? As usual, I am going to show you an example. I want to listen to that and guess the meaning. Since the president is generally seen as a goldfish, it's all the more impressive when he does show his feelings. What do you think this means? You call someone a goldfish, you mean that they do not show their emotions and can seem unfriendly or unsympathetic. எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்திலும் ஆர்வம் இல்லாம ரொம்ப மந்தமா இருக்கிறது. Let me give some examples. He didn't really show much emotion. He is a bit of a goldfish. When I first met him, he seemed rather a goldfish, but actually he is a quite passionate. I hope you would have understand this word how to use in your conversation. I'll meet you with the new words in next video. Till then, bye bye.